Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, so install Netbeans and Python now. Make sure the Python plugin or distribution is active. Once done, add Python to path and verify with Python version so Netbeans can detect it. Next, in Netbeans, create a new Python project and immediately choose an interpreter, either a fresh virtualenv or the system Python. This gets your environment tied to the IDE and prevents package conflicts, which matters for reproducible runs and clear dependency management. Now you configure the project for reliable development. Open project properties and set the interpreter path, working directory, and Python path so imports resolve. Once configured, create or activate a virtualenv and install required packages with pip, then freeze them to requirements. TXD for consistency. When coding, run scripts from the Run menu and use the debugger. Set breakpoints and inspect variables to understand state. Make sure to run tests frequently. They catch integration issues early and keep the main branch stable. Finish by packaging and deploying. Create setup, py or piproject. Toml and build a wheel or sdist for distribution, or containerize with Docker for consistent runtime. Once packaged, deploy via CI pipelines, Docker registry, or simple SCP for small projects, and automate repetitive steps with scripts. If something goes wrong, first check interpreter mismatch and ensure Netbeans points to the expected virtualenv. Then verify installed packages and path entries. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.